Ah yes, Paris. Up until recently, the world's most popular city to visit. Paris is the city that my partner Liz has always wanted to see. To celebrate Liz's birthday, I had decided to book her a secret trip to the City of Love. All very easy in foresight. However, on the other hand, keeping the secret going for what would be a very long 6 months was particularly hard. My plan was to present Liz with a humble card on her birthday detailing that she needed to take 2 weeks off work in May 2019. No other information. Then I would pack our bags in the days before we were due to leave in secret and surprise her on the day of departure. In my head, it was a great idea, while in reality, the look of disappointment on her face on her actual birthday said it all.
Okay, so how long is that?
Sounds like a delayed surprise. 5 months.
5 months, okay. See you in 5 months!
With our flights and accommodation locked in, I had to remain coy throughout Liz's questions as to when we'll be taking another holiday. See, the last real holiday we took was in February 2017, so she was rightly getting agitated. In the days leading up to our flight, I tried to pack for both her and myself. This was not going well, as I struggled to even narrow down what camera kit I should take and what I should leave at home. D-Day rolled over, and Liz was still not that impressed. My guess is that she thought perhaps we were just going somewhere locally in Australia. Even at the airport, Liz still didn't know where we were going.
You still don't know?
No, 15 minutes.
15 minutes and then you'll find out where we're going.
Yep.
Right up to the point where we checked in.
Moment of truth.
Yep.
So this is a moment of truth.
This is you.
This is me?
Yep.
So I'll give you that
And
one.
then this is me.
You can say it if you want. Well, let's see, yeah. It is actually a birthday present for her. Belated birthday present.
Belated. I turned 30 in December, so yeah, belated birthday present. So,
Drum roll.
yeah.
Here we go.
You are going to.
Where? Are you kidding
Yeah,
me?
of course.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
No!
Yeah. Yes, Angel. You deserve it. You deserve it. You wanted to go there for ages. Now we're finally going. Did it?
You're
You're going to
stupid.
cry. I don't want you to cry.
Too much money.
That's alright, it's fun.
Now I have to call Dad.
Okay, well, let's do this first, yeah?
I have to tell the girls. You're silly. You're not meant to do that.
That's
I'm meant
alright.
to do that for you.
That's fine.
Finally the cat was out of the bag and 6 months of pressure, stress and anxiety was alleviated from me. For the remainder of our time at the airport, Liz promptly told every single person she knew where she was
Excited?
going.
Oh, very. Yeah. I don't know. I'm assuming so. We're there for 9 days.
The next 24 hours were a blur. Being 6'1", sitting in those economy seats, I didn't really get a wink of sleep whatsoever. I know we stopped in Changi Airport for a brief moment and then, boom, we were suddenly in Paris and on the train heading to our hotel. Here's the obligatory room reveal. There you have it, that's the big surprise, taking Liz to Paris. Well, it's about time that we went and explored the city for ourselves. Be sure to check back soon when I have a video of all our Parisian adventures. Thanks for watching, see you next time.